The Hirose DF51K series of 2mm pitch wire-to-board connectors features a space-saving center lock design. The user-friendly positive lock provides a clear tactile click and secures a reliable connection. The center lock lever offers high-density mounting and enables easy operation. In addition, the center lock prevents damage during cable assembly and ensures secure mating. It also enables users to recognize reverse mating and prevents mechanical interference. The DF51K wire-to-board connectors are available in a wide range of options, including straight and right-angle configurations, as well as single-row, dual-row connectors with gold or tin plating. The connectors can accept a wide range of cable gauge sizes. With a UL certification planned as well as high contact reliability and long effective mating length, the DF51K wire-to-board connectors are ideal in amusement equipment, industrial machinery, medical equipment, office equipment, and more.